2006, the V6 model. I'm in the process of changing transmission filters up top. Also, this is the transmission filter here. And replacing the pressure switches. These are the same part numbers as the one for the ACURA TL. The 2004 to 2008 is the same one, 28610 RKE-004. This is for the cord. What this will do would help with the shifting of the transmission better than the other one is 28600 RKE-004. So what I started doing was taking apart everything on the bottom here. This is on the cord. Just tap on the connector here to release the connector. You just pull the connector off. It's just like the one for the TL. I'm going to put a link in the description for that video showing how to replace these pressure switches on the TL. It's the same thing because the Honda and the Acura is like, it's the same transmission, it's the same setup. For the older MDXs, it's possibly the same. I'm not too sure, but these are what the switches look like here. So basically, this one up top here will be replaced with the cream one, and then this one on the bottom here will be replaced with the black one, because these are the original ones that came with the car years and years ago. So these are the originals. So I just broke it loose with an adjustable wrench. Just broke it loose like this, just adjusted it, break it loose. So then you just unscrew it like so. It's a really easy process. And you just take it out like so. Then you see that there's a washer here. This washer, you're gonna take it from this one and put it on the new switch. So you'll take that washer off and put it on this one to replace it with the one that's being replaced. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is take the washer off this one and put it on the cream one, because the cream one goes up top. Goes up top here, that I'll be replacing, and catch back the video for you guys. Okay, so what I did was I took the washer off the old one, put it on the new one. Now it's good to go for me to screw it in here. And just tighten it down a little. Just like one full turn. Take the cap connector off. This is the cover that sits over the connector, electrical connector. This one's for this. The connector for this one's right here. Slide the connector on, and that's it. Alright, so now one is done. So now I'm going to move on to the bottom one here. I already broke this one loose. So I'm just going to unscrew it from the side here. This one's out now. This one came right out. The washer always felt. There's going to be a little bit of fluid that drips out of the hole here. That's fine. Just take the new washer, put it on the new pressure switch, and screw it in, and that's it. All right, let me screw this in and catch back the video for you guys. All right, so right now I got it tightened down. Sensors in with the washer. So now I'm just gonna pull off this end here for the connector. Take this connector, line it up, and slide it back on, and it snaps on, and that's it. Then you put back the 10 that goes here, and you're finished. And you change out both pressure switches for the transmission. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. Don't worry about that little bit of fluid that leaked out. It's not enough to actually cause any issues or anything with the transmission. It's just a little fluid. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. So I'm in the Accord right now that I'm working on, that I just did the transmission pressure switches on. Look at the transmission filter, how it broke to pieces already before I even took it off. Look, this is the top part of it. It already started breaking to pieces. That's what this part is. Let me show you guys. This part already came off. Okay, no, this is the bottom part here. This already separated from this after just removing just the cover here and the 310s that hold it in. The top part of the cover already came off. So now I'm gonna grab the filter now and see what it looks like. So now the other part came off, broken to pieces, and it kind of scrunched up a little when I was taking it out. This is crazy. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Alright, that it started breaking to pieces as soon as you touch it. Fluid's a little dark, might have to replace that fluid again. So I'm gonna move this rubber gasket over to here, onto the new one, and then put everything back together, and it kits back for the video for you guys, and I'll start it up. And I gotta replace the serpentine belt also. Alright, so everything is finished up. Place the belt, transmission filter, the filter's in, pressure switches are in, the new pressure switches, good to go. There's no leaks. That's it. Good to go. Car sounds great. That's one pressure switch, and the other one's in the corner down there. As you can see, everything looks good. Alright. This is dry. All that's dry. Motor sounds great. 3.0 V6 Honda. Everything's in. You need a little fluid, power stand fluid, just filled it up for him. That's it. Alright, what you guys think?